In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know how to open your document, add a handwritten signature, and save it properly, either overwriting the original or creating a separate signed copy. Start by opening your File Explorer so you can locate the PDF you want to sign. If you're on Windows, you can use the shortcut Windows key plus E, or click the folder icon on your taskbar. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored so it's easy to access in the next step. Next, right-click your PDF, choose Open With, and select Microsoft Edge. If you already have Edge open, you can also drag the PDF directly into an Edge window. Either way, the file will open in Edge's built-in PDF viewer, which includes the tools we need for signing without installing extra software. At the top of the PDF viewer, click the Draw icon, which looks like a pencil. This activates inking mode. You can usually adjust the pen color and thickness by selecting the small options next to the pencil. Thicker lines are easier to read after printing, while finer lines look cleaner on screen. If you make a mistake at any point, use Undo or the Eraser tool to clean up stray marks. Now, place your cursor where you want your signature and draw it directly on the page using your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus on a touchscreen. For smoother strokes, zoom in to around 150% or 200% so you have finer control. If the signature area is small, zooming makes a big difference. Take your time. If it doesn't look right, undo and try again until you're happy with it. When your signature looks good, click the Save icon, the floppy disk, to save the signature directly into the current file. This will overwrite the existing PDF, so choose this option only if you're comfortable replacing the original with the signed version. It's a quick way to lock in your changes without creating duplicates. If you want to keep an unsigned original, click the Save As icon, the floppy disk with a pencil, to create a separate signed copy. Give the file a clear name, such as adding Signed or today's date, and choose a folder where you'll easily find it later. After saving, it's a smart idea to reopen the signed file to confirm the signature appears exactly as intended. That's it. You've signed a PDF in Microsoft Edge using the built-in Draw tool. Keep in mind, this is a handwritten electronic signature. If a recipient requires a certificate-based digital signature, check their requirements before sending.